Good morning. For your Monday, October 13th forecast, we are expecting a lot of the same with temperatures in the mid 70s and some mostly sunny skies. And so the Doppler radar actually shows that for us. So we can see some showers off into the west, into the northwest. Those will be moving into this area of dry air this morning, so it will be eroding away. What we're looking at in terms of your morning forecast, temperatures in the upper 40s. We are seeing some spots of some patchy fog. Once that mixes out with the heating this morning with the sun rising, we will see temperatures come up to about 74 degrees this afternoon. And so really is what that leaves us with is this area of clouds and precipitation. We've seen that out into our west and northwest. Some of these white areas here are where the computer model is picking up some fog, but this area of clouds will move into our area, or it'll at least attempt to move into our area, but it will be eroded away, and you will actually get to see that right now when we put this into motion. You can see how by early afternoon, some of these purple mid-level clouds are actually trying to sneak into our area, but they are not going to succeed. And so that's kind of the story for today, so to speak, the battle of dry air eroding away those clouds. Now, I do want to show you something really fast before we look at the 7-day forecast. And we're going to go to more of a national view on this model. And we are going to pull up the European model. We're going to go to the last big run here. So here's what we can see. This is us now kind of in an area of high pressure, so to speak. But let's put this into motion. So if we actually go throughout the 15th, the 16th, and I've been talking the last little bit about the North Atlantic Oscillation turning negative, which typically means a shot of colder air in this region of the U.S. And sure enough, this is going to be right around the 19th. You can see this model is picking up some of this precip here associated with a cold front and a low pressure system. Behind that will be cooler air. Now, is what we're going to see with the cooler air is, let's see, temperatures typically back around what we've kind of seen in the mid 60s, so to speak. If we actually put back on the temperatures here, and if we can zoom out, and let's see, let me go to this morning. All right, let's get through the 19th here. Here is that front on the 19th. So as you can see, temperatures really in the 60s and upper 50s, but this is the area I want you to watch right here. Because as I go ahead and put this into motion, we are going to have a second front come through. Here it is. Okay, this is it right here. And on the back side of that, do you see some of these 40s? That is what we are going to be watching because the daytime highs as we get into on October 22nd, this is going to be the afternoon highs across our area. Let me clear this screen off. But the afternoon highs in our area, as you can see, are going to be in the mid 50s. And those are daytime highs. And that's here on the 22nd. So we are getting close. We've got another week of some really nice temperatures. And if you love the 70s, and that's what really we're going to see with the 7-day forecast. You can see where we have the mid 70s up through the next several days. And then this weekend, now we've got it in red because again, that's 6-7 days off. But for this weekend, we've got a 40% chance of showers and storms on Saturday and a 40% chance of showers on Sunday. So that kind of brings about that first wave that's going to come through on the 19th. And then we'll see that second wave come through on the 21st, 22nd, and really going to usher in some fall weather and really get those leaves turning. But that's it for today. So enjoy your day, enjoy the nice weather, and we'll see you back here tomorrow morning.